Hello everyone, and welcome to another exclusive tutorial from OfficeLogix Shop. Today, we'll be showing you the simplest and most direct method to replace the arm yokes on your Herman Miller Aeron chair. Let's get started. In order to remove the Aeron seat, start by unscrewing the seat bolts as shown. Next, remove the bolts on the mechanism. Easy, right? Now let's remove the back. Now you need to remove the back by unscrewing the 4 screws located there. This step is crucial. You'll need to retrieve the mechanism parts from the arm, as they will be used on the new arm yoke. First, unscrew the 2 bottom screws beneath the arm pad. Then, using a wrench, remove all the parts located there. After collecting all the parts, set them aside for the time being. There's no need to reattach the arm pad just yet. We'll begin with the left arm yoke, which you can identify by its 2 levers. To remove the left arm yoke, you need to unscrew the mechanism first. But before you do that, you must detach the 2 levers. It's worth noting that there are 2 versions of these levers. The newer version can be easily removed by snapping them out. The older version, on the other hand, can be identified by a hole on the button. Be cautious. Snapping the old version can break them. If you have the older version, please watch our video on how to safely remove them. Now you can proceed by removing the levers, unscrewing the mechanism, and removing the old left arm yoke. This is what your new arm yoke should look like. Now, let's connect it and screw the mechanism back on. Next, you'll need to insert the arm mechanism parts you kept from the old arm yoke. Make sure to insert the parts in the exact order as shown. You'll see that the arm index can be flipped and inserted, depending on which arm yoke you're replacing. You can determine the correct side by aligning this hole with the metal part on the arm. Now tighten them well. If you've been following along, everything should be running smoothly. Place the arm pad in position and securely tighten the 2 bottom screws. Now to install the right arm yoke, it's the exact same process from retrieving the arm mechanism parts, separating the mechanism from the chair, adding the new arm yoke, attaching the mechanism to the chair, and reinstalling the arm mechanism parts on the new arm yoke. Next, attach the seat mechanism cover. It's important to note that there are 2 versions of this cover, one with 2 teeth and another with 4 teeth. Simply snap the teeth into their respective slots, ensuring that the cables are clear and out of the way so the cover closes securely. If you haven't already done so, reattach the buttons. If you can't remember where they are supposed to go, you can use these photos as a reference. Make sure that the arms are pushed away so you can have enough space, then insert the seat as shown. Reattach the seat links to the mechanism cover, then insert the mechanism bolts and tighten them. Insert the seat bolts too. It's recommended to tighten the first side just a little bit, then once you insert and fully tighten the other side, you can fully tighten the first side. Now, all you have to do is reinstall the back. Simply place it in position and insert the 4 screws. Make sure to tighten them securely. Voila! You've successfully replaced both arm yokes and reassembled everything. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for our latest exclusive tutorials and in-depth reviews.